Hello, hi. This is your girl Josie, and today is Wednesday. And you guys know what we're gonna do. We're gonna cast off our 100 envelope savings challenge in a different way that helps lower income. If you don't have any money, watch this and you can do this challenge. If you have 100 envelope savings challenge hiding, trust me, take it out and start doing it this way. Keep watching. Hi friends, I hope everybody is doing very well. Today we're going to cast off the 100 envelope savings challenge that we've been doing. We are almost there. This is the part 7 and I'm super excited. Hello new friends, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are an OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. Thank you for being part of my journey here. For today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to count the money. Then we will read our motivational quote. And if you watch it up to this time, after I read it, I want you to leave in the comment some of the choices that you have made. And you realize that it was a wrong choice, but it put me in the right place. So let's count the money first. You guys know we are doing math here. It's math throughout. So let's count the money. We have to put the amount in our head. You guys know that I'm having fun with this. I can't wait to count it. And I'm thinking of counting it live. And after the live, we will do like a little giveaway. So you guys should keep watching for that. I don't want all you guys to miss it, especially those who are participating from day one. I don't want you to miss it. Let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the ones are 20. Remember that. Let me bring it here a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see another one here. So the ones are 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 25. So that will be 46. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 106. So we have 106 for part 7. It means we are doing numbers from 61 to 70. Yes, I think I got it right. 61 to 70 today. So today, let's look at our motivational quote. It says, sometimes the wrong choices bring us to the right place. Have you had any wrong choice that brings you to the right place? That's a very good one to think about. So leave in the comment if you have any wrong choices that you realize that, oh, it was wrong, but I'm in the right place, or I made a good decision at the end of the day. So I'll leave that one here so that everybody will look at it. I love the quote that I'm getting from this book. This book, I got it from Audi. For those of you who have been asking me, I got it from Audi. So I don't think you can get it again. Normally they bring like seasonal things, and it was one of them, and I grabbed it. It was from Audi. I like going to Audi. It's one of my fun. At times they have stuff that you won't find it anywhere. If it's done, it's done. And this is one of them. I went back to check if I can find some. I did not, because I was going to get one for a friend and it was gone. So now let's dive into today's cast off. Let me put it here so that everybody can see. Yeah, I think everybody can see that. Yeah, we are doing 61 to 70. Almost there. I can't wait to get it done. Okay, so we are doing 6 plus 1, which is 7. I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm sure I've asked it so many times, but I'm still going to ask. I hope they hear. My voice is still not good. I still feel like some stuff in my throat, but life has to go on. I can't let this sickness stop me from what I'm doing, what I want to achieve, right? So we have to move on. So let's put 7 here. Okay. 6 plus 2 is $8. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions about this challenge. Yes, I'm not doing it the right way. I'm doing it in a different way. Like, I'm not doing it, I would say I'm not doing it the normal way. I'm doing it in a different way. And I can't wait to bring another different way for you guys. But after this, we're going to do one low income challenge. Then we will come back to the 100 envelopes again. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. I have a friend who watched with a daughter and say that when they watch it, he let their daughter do the math so that you learn the math. And the daughter has been having fun with my videos as well. So that's really cool. Yeah, that's all we need, right? We just want to make it fun. Oh, I think I didn't do this one very well. Let me make sure it's aligned. Let's do this again. Okay. Yes, it went in. Okay. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. This is 10. So I think when I'm doing the math, I have to take my time. For those who are watching, who want to say the answer first before I put it in. Then we have 6 plus 5. What is the answer? 11. So we put in 11. And for those who have been commenting on my videos, I really appreciate it. Yesterday, I posted a video about my debt, which is my student loan. And I got great answers. I love it. So thank you if you have been commenting. I really appreciate all your comment. 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Then we have 6 plus 7 is 13. And also, since last month, I've been reading The Psychology of Money, and I'm loving that book. I'll try and see if I can leave it on the screen. If you haven't read it, it's a very old book and very common. A lot of people that I know in the budgeting community or finance community, they have been reading it, and I was trying to check it out. Very nice book. I'm enjoying it. Hopefully, I can read it by the end of this month, and I'll choose another finance book to read after that. Then we also have 6 plus 8, which is 14. Okay. Then we have 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is what? 15. 10. And also for those who don't want to do it this way, that's okay. If you want to do it in the normal way, that's cool, because at the end of it, you get 5,000. We are doing this way to show other ways that you can do it. Because at times people are scared of the money. How many people will get like $70 from their paycheck and save at a time? Not a lot of people can do that. So we are just doing this. So that somebody, instead of 70, you're going to say $7 in this packet. So 7 plus 0 is 7, not 70. We are not putting 70. I love it when I get to this stage, I'm putting 7. So that's why we are doing it. If you can put 70, good for you. Go for it. Go for it. But if you cannot, you can't put 7 and you still have saved something. So that's $7. And that's my last one for today. So today we did numbers from 61 to 70. Okay, so that's it for that one. Let's look at it. Is this not cool? If you are not loving this, I don't know why you love. This is money. Yep, I'm loving it. I can't wait to get it done. Okay, so that's it for that one. Let's go ahead and do shade it. Then we will update it as well. Okay, then I'll update the tracker here. So we did 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10. We did 7. So these are how the numbers are coming up. This is so cool. So that's it for that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and close it up. And thank you for watching me today. I really appreciate everybody. And don't forget to leave your comment, the wrong choice that brings you to the right place. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Super excited. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye. Go and be grateful. And remember, you are simply blessed.